Hello, welcome to the Executive Byte. My name is Kyle Rowland. Today we're going to talk about thinking holistically. Now, this is a bit of a business cliche, but it's absolutely unavoidable when it comes to building up our software practice. It's very easy to get caught up in hyper optimizing specific niche pieces of the process, things that are valuable, but things that we tend to deal with without context and often in a vacuum. For example, we might get very specific about how our process is working. Our JIRA tickets formatted exactly correct for whatever that means. Are we, are the right people doing these tickets? Is the process going exactly the right way? Or perhaps if we're more technical in our thinking, we might get very caught up in the framework or the architecture that we're using, maybe what our naming conventions look like. It's very easy to look at each of these things independently, and there's a handful of others. And when we do this, we cause ourselves more problems than we solve. Because again, we can hyper optimize where we're really putting in a lot of energy, creating a lot of structure around things that aren't having any actual return in terms of our outcomes that we're getting for our business and for our customer. Now we're putting out a new resource here shortly called the Powerful Profitable Software Products Engineering Guidebook. It'll be available April 22nd. You can pre-order now on Amazon. I'll put a link along with the video. But this really dives deep into how we can think more holistically in again, how we evolve our software development practice. When we do that, when we remember the connection between architecture and codecraft and process and DevOps, we get structures that work together and that give us the optimum overall outcome, not just the optimum output for the specific practice that we're interested in. And that's really what it's all about. We want to deliver software development. We want to do our software development faster because by that we get more value. And that value, the actual usefulness for our customers, is what we need to be all about. So this has been the Executive Byte. My name is Kyle Rowland. Have a great day.